Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a mini unboxing haul. I have purchased 3 items from Amazon, which I am excited about, but I'm mainly excited about this nail lamp here. If you want to see videos of me unboxing items, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification just to see when I upload, and like this video. So let's go. So this is a Sun X nail lamp, first time buyer, first time user, so I don't know what I should be looking for, but this lamp is a 54 watt nail lamp, very powerful. It has auto sensors, preset timers, a removable tray which you can do your pedicures if you're doing gel, and a LED display screen. So with this nail lamp I got a charger, a pair of anti-UV gloves, a manual which we all should read before attempting if you guys are a first time buyer and also a first time user. And I also got some nail tools which was gifted. The other items that I purchased from Amazon is a POLYGEL nail kit. This kit was from Extenz Beauty. This is the mini version, so don't expect everything to be within the kit. I think this kit was for $23 or probably more. It was a reasonable buy, so if you're just a starter like me, I think this is a reasonable start out kit for you. In this kit you get dual forms, which you get 60 pieces of nails. You get 3 large polygels, a file, nail decoration, a polygel brush, which is a spatula and a brush. I was thinking that the brush would have been a bit firm, I don't know. You get instructions, you get a base coat, a top coat. Last purchase from Amazon was some coffin nails, regular coffin nail, that I'm so excited to be using. Some looks will be coming, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification just to see when I upload, because I upload twice a week. Thank you so very much for watching my video, and I hope you have an awesome day. Peace. I'm out.